What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Kia Soul remote key fob. This key fob is going to be for the Kia Souls that do not have a push button start ignition, and it's going to use replacement battery CR2032. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob and go ahead and flip the key blade out. Now I'm going to hold the fob with the buttons facing down, and I'm going to remove this back cover right here. And most of the time you can just get this off with your fingers. If you kind of get a finger or two on top and your thumb down here, that back cover will just pull off of there like that. If you're unable to get that off with just your hands, you can grab a flathead screwdriver and come in here and use that just to help pry it up like that. But once we get that back cover off, we see our battery right here. And for this, I'll use a screwdriver or something similar just to get on the edge of this battery and help get it out of this holder. Once our old battery's out, I'll grab our new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing that with the plus side up. And I'm going to kind of tuck this edge in first that's near the logo or the key blade. Kind of tuck that edge in first like that, and then snap it down into place. And then we can snap our back cover on, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.